back to Sleeper Barbecue. Today we're going to do some kebabs. I'm thinking about pork, chicken, and shrimp. Maybe even some poblanos. If you've been following any of my videos, I've been using a lot of poblanos lately, but we'll see. Let me get some things together and we'll bring you back in just a minute. Thank you. Alright, as you can see, I've got some chicken, poblano, some white onion, some shrimp, and pork loin. I did put the pork loin on for about maybe 10 minutes just to give it a little bit of a head start because it had some thicker areas in it. I wanted to make sure it cooked up good. So we're going to get these built and then we'll bring you back just before we start to season them. Alright, so hopefully you can see we've got them all made up here. Now I've got chicken and pork together. I got vegetables in between them, so we'll have to make sure that we got bring our temperatures up pretty good. Today's seasoning is going to be Uncle Steve's Gator Shake. We got one oddball here where I just ran out of shrimps and stuff, and I just went ahead and just finished up the chicken on it. Got our coals spread out. I'm going to lay these out, and I'm sure I'm going to get burnt sometime during the day. And that'll be okay. I've been planning this cook for a while, but I actually had to throw the pork loin back in the freezer last week because it had set out for almost a week in the refrigerator, and I just threw it back in the freezer. I said I hadn't been planning on doing it. I saw George 805 barbecue do his the other day, and I said, you know what? I'm gonna break that stuff out and get it used up, get it out the freezer. So we're gonna try and get these things seasoned on all sides. All right, let's give them a look. Flip them once more since I showed them last time. Everything's pretty close to temping out right. Alright, one last look here. I think we're really pretty much done. Everything I temped earlier was spot on. Well, not really spot on, that's not the truth. It was a little over actually, but nothing hateful. My poblanos didn't last. But that's okay. For the hell of it. 65 shrimp, 68 and 69, 168 chicken, 160, 79, 74, 73. This guy over here, there's a little bit more heat. He's not showing real high temps. 162 on the chicken. we'll let that guy sit on there a little bit longer, which is fine because, ouch. I'm going to put just a little bit of barbecue sauce on these things. Not real crazy. Bummed out I lost my Poblanos. Sauce today is going to be Uncle Steve's sauce with no name. Can't go wrong with it. Alright, everything is probing now to where I'm comfortable. Since we have pork and chicken in the same cook, I'm just going to make sure everything's up to par and everything is 170 and above. So I can get a close up here without screwing everything up. That's the best I'm going to be able to do, but next time you see me, these will be plated. Alright, there you have it. Let's finish it up with a little bit of lime juice. Not a whole lot, just enough. So that was about an hour and a half cook. We got pork loin, chicken, shrimp, onion, Poblanos. As you can see, they got a little crispy, but I tell you what, they're just as good and better when they're crispy like that. They're like a daggone candy with that barbecue sauce on them. Love it. Our seasoning today was Uncle Steve's Gator Shake. At the end, we put a little bit of barbecue sauce on it. And of course, my favorite is Uncle Steve's sauce with no name. And I say it's my favorite, and I'm not trying to blow smoke. I'm telling you, this sauce is really good. I love this stuff. Really love it. Cooked on the Weber Kettle. And I'm about to eat. Time for a taste test. Get that into the sink. A little bit of pork loin, poblano, and onion. Everything has this excellent char on it. It is so good. That's fantastic. The lime really made a great addition to it. Let's get one of these shrimp. All right, so there you have it. My attempt at making some kebabs. I won't repeat myself again and over again, but what I will say though, it's the first time I put a little bit of lime with that Gator shake on it. I think that lime really brought something out in that Gator shake. Excellent. They were so good. Really good. Hey, if again, you know, I say this every video, you know, if you would, please just like and subscribe to the channel. Give me that thumbs up. You know, a nice little comment like, you know, anything like, good job, looks good, yum. I mean, whatever you want to put in the comment section. But subscribe and click that bell for all notifications so we see when Sleeper Barbecue is putting out a video next. You'll get alert automatically on the YouTube channel. All right. I'm Lance from St. Mary's County, Maryland, Sleeper Barbecue. Until next time, thanks for watching.